You want to have all your charging stations for all your power tools here in your cargo van. So I'm going to show you so that way you can see. Here I have a Sprinter van, so that I'm working on. So also I have my sliding tray with all Milwaukee's for all my tools. So if you want to have something like that, I am in US. If you want me to build something for you, I can do it. Otherwise, I'm going to show you how you can do this. So basically, I have all my ports here. So if you want to have multiple electric outlets, I have them here. So the way if you want to, connect maybe your circular saw or something else, you can do that as well. Also, I have over there Ryobi, I have Milwaukee, DeWalt, I have almost all the brands. So now I'm going to show you how you can do the same thing. So this is my van. So as you can see, I have all the labels and everything. So here I have a sliding tray that you can push in or take it out if you want to. So now I'm going to show you a little bit how I have everything up there. So basically I have all my chargers. As you can see, I have the DeWalt, supercharge, fast charge. Rigid, I think is fast as well. This is fast, slow, fast. The Bosch, the Milwaukee, that is the slow one, and I have another one that is fast elsewhere. That maybe I'll show you later. I didn't finish organizing everything, but as you can see, I have everything. Even I have this rail that you see here for the ladder, so that it works great. And I have the power in that power strip that you see over there, and then it goes all the way here. It goes here. Now I have unplugged it because I'm not running the van, and I have it with the cable that goes to the house because I'm not driving right now, and I'm doing some improvements in this van. But basically goes like this, it goes straight here, and that's it. So when I start the van, it charges all my batteries and everything, and that is how I have everything organized. So I'm going to show you a little bit how you can do that. So basically you can buy one of these banner sine wave, so that way you don't have any issues. Is 3200 watts. That is a lot. You can connect almost everything. If you have the van that is running, you have no issue. So here you connect the 12 volts that comes from the battery that is under the floor, at least in the Sprinter van. And then you run the cables to here. And then what I did, because here you will have these two cables, this is the remote connect. The remote control is so that basically when you connect these two terminals that you see over there, this will be on, and when you when you remove the key from the ignition, it will turn off by itself. So I put this relay. This is a solid relay. So basically, when this receives power from that, it will connect this. It will close the circuit from here to here. So that is the two cables that you see that goes inside, and then this will be on, and then I will have a power, on all my chargers and everything. So that way you can charge everything while you drive, and when you go to the next customer, you know that everything will be up and running and all the batteries are going to be full. That is a good thing. So if you want to do that, that is the best way to do it. I don't recommend anything less than this, because if you want to run maybe an air compressor or something like that, you're not going to have enough power for everything. Also, when you have so many chargers, they're going to suck a lot of power, and that will be a problem. So I have a motion sensor over there, so when I walk in, the lights will turn on by themselves, and that is how I have everything. So as you can see, I have an air compressor. So if I am in US, if you need tools, packouts, anything like that, just let me know. Otherwise, if you're here, if you live in here, I can leave you the link, so that way you can buy it yourself. That's it. So if you want me to build something for you, you can hire me. I can do that for you as well. So hopefully you have enjoyed this class, and if you have any question, please let me know, and I'll talk to you in the next class. Bye.